Greetings one, greetings all. I'm in the beautiful village of Tremeirchion near to Denbigh in Denbighshire, and it's a very special day, the Bank Holiday Monday, the 31st of August 2009. So what's this special occasion? Well, it's the day when they dress the whole village up with scarecrows. There's scarecrows all over the village, so let's go and have a look at some of these wonderful creations from the village of Tremeirchion. And there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed this little look around the village of Tremeirchion, especially the scarecrows. How scary are some of their wonderful creations? Great tradition here in Wales, and we haven't seen any people. Maybe people don't actually live here. Woo! There's a thought. Bye for now. Bye.